Hello.
Game. Game is game. Where's Chilro? That's Chilro. That's Chill. Oh no, it's not. Come on. Oh, you're not wrong. You're dark. Oh, what? Okay, I'm good.
Are you here for happy hour? No, leave it. No, you don't want that. You won't want a gin and tonic. You definitely won't. What are you doing? What are you doing? Eh? Are you here for happy hour as well?
Look at this galah, bro. See, I know you want some. Let's go for a ride. Oh, you don't. We're gonna get rid of that clothesline. Eat. Okay, you can have some. But we're gonna go ride as well. Why are you guys doing? Oh.
Go down there.
Okay. No. Okay, walk.
Who's up behind me?